Hi, I'm Donna Ritter from North Hill Mazda.
Hi, I am David. Welcome to the world of luxury and innovation.
Today we proudly present the all-new 2024 Mazda CX-90. Get ready to be captivated as we take you on a journey through the impeccable design, advanced technology, and unparalleled performance. So join us and see what we have to offer. Behold the grandeur of the 2024 Mazda CX-90. Its breathtaking design commands attention, with striking lines that exude elegance and sophistication on every turn. The CX-90 embodies Mazda's design philosophy, Kodo, soul of motion. Its prominent grille, sleek LED headlights, and meticulous attention to detail create a truly captivating presence. Step inside the CX-90 and you'll enter a realm of luxury and comfort. Crafted with the finest materials, its spacious cabin offers indulgence for every passenger. The advancement infotainment system and intuitive controls keep you connected and in control. Safety is at the heart of Mazda's engineering. The CX-90 is equipped with a 360-degree camera, cutting-edge driver assistant technologies, and smart city brake support, ensuring you drive with confidence and peace of mind. With its robust engine and agile chassis, the CX-90 delivers an exhilarating performance on any road. Experience the joy of driving as the car effortlessly glides through every curve. Mazda's commitment to sustainability is evident in the CX-90. Its fuel efficiency and use of environmentally conscious materials demonstrate our dedication to a greener future. In conclusion, the 2024 Mazda CX-9 redefines luxury and performance. It's not just a car, it's a statement of sophistication and modernity. Experience the epitome of automotive excellence with the 2024 Mazda CX-90. And thank you all for coming and joining us on this small journey that we showed you the CX-90. But please stop by and see us at North Hill Mazda as we can give more of the features and give you the drive and experience that you're looking for. Thank you and see you soon.